In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best double-sided tape. So let's get started. Number 7. Scotch Indoor Double-Sided. This tape is designed for indoor use only and can hold up to 15 pounds of weight. However, don't be misled into thinking a small piece of tape can hold something heavy. Instead, about 4 inches of tape can hold 1 pound. You would need 60 inches to actually hold up 15 pounds worth of weight. The tape's strength comes from its 3M industrial strength adhesive. When applying the tape, you will want to make sure your space's temperature is typically between 50 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit for the best results. A few things to keep in mind are that this tape is meant for permanent installation and will leave behind a residue if it is removed. Number 6. 3M VHB tape. A roll of 3M VHB tape is heavy-duty and makes drilling and screwing seem old-fashioned. It's a clear acrylic tape, which is excellent for connecting transparent materials. This tape is great for permanent bonding, and it's easier to work with than liquid adhesives. It can adhere to glass, doors, and street signs, among other materials. It's UV-resistant, heat and cold resistant, and moisture resistant. The roll comes with 15 feet. Using pressure-sensitive adhesive technology, the tape will bond almost as soon as it is applied to a surface, a great feature for impatient people who cannot be bothered to wait for something to dry. Number 5. KELASY mounting tape. Check out the KELASY double-sided mounting tape for its unique nano gel glue. This material is meant to adhere tightly to all types of surfaces without creating a permanent bond. As a result, if you need to move the object, you can wash away the leftover tape. On a clean wall, it can hold up to 2.2 pounds of weight. The tape itself is transparent, blending into the surroundings seamlessly. The tape is relatively elastic and forgiving, making it a pretty easy supply to work with. Coming with a full 20 feet of material, it is a great option for those looking to do small-scale home improvements. Number 4. Gorilla Tough and Clear Mounting Tape. The Gorilla Tough and Clear double-sided mounting tape is clear in color, making it an ideal alternative to nails and other fasteners, and the tape will not yellow over time. This mounting tape is great for when other fasteners will not suffice. The tape is capable of supporting objects up to 15 pounds of weight. It is also weatherproof, which means it can be used indoors and outdoors. Being able to use it indoors and outside makes this tape uniquely versatile and durable to the elements. It can bond to all different kinds of materials, including brick, concrete, stone, glass, metal, plastic, tile, wood, and other common household materials. While this tape is great for outdoor use, it can dry out when left outdoors over long periods. This tape also requires you to fully clean whatever surface you will use it on for it to adhere properly. Number 3. EZLIFEGO. Consider the EZLIFEGO double-sided mounting tape for its innovative adherent technology. It uses an acrylic-based gel that clings tightly to all types of materials. It dries reasonably quickly and creates a reliable hold on your gear. The set comes with over 16 feet of tape, meaning you can use it for a couple of small projects. Featuring a clear design, it adds value in that it won't leave a stain or residue. It is easy to wash away and, once dried, leaves no trace behind. Useful on everything from stone to ceramic, wood to paper, this is a convenient double-sided mounting tape to have around the house. It should be noted that this tape doesn't create a permanent hold, and it still requires you to clean and dry a surface to stick. Also, the tape only supports 1/4 pound per square inch. Number 2. FASTEN double-sided carpet. That's the case with our doormats and carpets. Yes, they feel like having invisible legs, and they don't stay in places they're meant to be. There are tapes great for holding a piece of paper, but holding a carpet is a different feat. FASTEN, doing justice to their name, does that with ease. Their tapes are thick and wide. They come with 3 width options, 2 inches, 3 inches, and 4 inches. Since the surface is bigger, they do a great job holding loads and prone to move surfaces. The tape was manufactured in a way that it maintains high tensile strength. That joining with reinforced polycarbonate carrier and strong adhesive forms a great combination of strength and durability. It can be used with different surfaces like wood, vinyl, tile, carpet, glass, paint. The claim isn't all barking. In fact, this product went through several vigorous laboratory testing and made sure it delivers peak performance for up to 6 months. This is the best mounting tape you can lay your hand on. Number 1. Melka DSCT. Sometimes that can be dangerous too, especially if you have children that run around the house all day. That's why using a dual-layered band under the carpet isn't just good, it's necessary. But not all tapes can hold rough surfaces like carpets. You need something wide with strong adhesive. A little strip like bands isn't going to cut it. And Melka, my friend, is the strong product you need under the high-traffic rug. The tape is 2.5 inches wide, enough to facilitate strong bonding between surfaces. The quantity you'll get is 30 yards, enough to keep you fueled for a long time. The tape can be torn and peeled by hand. Moreover, it won't leave any unwanted residue or marks when you remove it. This feature allows Melka to be used for many applications. Every time you need a rivet, nail or fastener, this band can help you. You can shield the furniture from pet scratches, block bugs under the bed, keep vases and trays away from sliding, hold a soap dispenser.